Say hi. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is, well, today and for the entire month of November, we're going to be trying to accomplish the Minimalist Game Challenge. If you haven't heard from it, this is basically hosted by Clueless Mama D. If you have no idea who she is, I will link her down below. Go check her out. She's really funny and she comes up with these awesome videos. So basically what that means is we are trying to get rid of one thing every day. So, or multiple things. For example, for November 1st, we got rid of one thing. For November 2nd, we got rid of two things. And it's going to be all the way until November 30th. Or, yes, 30th. So yeah. And it's not just me and her, it's actually a whole bunch of us that we got together in a group and we collabed with this challenge. So I'm going to list or link the video of all of us down below as well. And this challenge couldn't come at a better time because I was going to start doing a cleaning series anyway. I was going to declutter my house for December, for the new year. I usually like to declutter my house for the beginning of the year and then mid-year and you know, so far and so forth. So this was actually a really good idea, and it's not only for the new year. Let's say if you're moving, you want to declutter your house, you don't want to take all these things into your brand new house. So yeah, I'm going section by section, and trust me, you find things. It's crazy how many things you find that you really either don't use, or they're broken, or they don't fit anymore, or they expired, etc. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Click that button down below and subscribe, and that way I can see you on my following videos. If you're interested in seeing how we declutter our homes on a daily basis, then just keep on watching. So for day one, I actually already knew automatically that I wanted to get rid of this hamper. We've had it for so long, and I actually just bought a more convenient one. It's one that you can hang like from the door or whatever it is that you want to hang it. It goes behind the door, and this was just very bulky and it was already super broken here. So this is going to be my number one toss. For day two, I came into my sink area here in the master bedroom, and I knew I wanted to get rid of this ant sign. I bought it a while at Target, and honestly it serves no purpose there whatsoever. Originally I was going to get the J and S for me and Steve's initials, but that never happened. I only found the and it's just been sitting there. Then this I wanted to get rid of because I have the Paris collection, as you can see. But this is where I used to hold the toothbrushes, or until now I was holding the toothbrushes. And I don't know, it just got really gross inside, and I don't know, to me, I don't really like it that much. It's not even the Eiffel Tower. I have no idea what this is. So if this is something that has to do with the Eiffel Tower, I am very sorry. But I don't like it anymore, so toss. Day three, I went into my handbags because it's very hard for me to let go of things, but I knew that I would have at least 3 handbags to just say goodbye. Like this is a pointless wallet slash cell phone holder that it looks brand new, but my phone doesn't fit in here anymore, so it serves no purpose whatsoever. And this is a Coach bag, and so it's this one that I really do not use. I remember when this was really in style, but I really don't use it anymore. And when I go out, I use a lot something like this, but obviously that my phone fits, and not something like this. And I'm a mom now, so this serves no purpose for my day-to-day life. So I don't know, like this is kind of worn out, but this one looks so new that maybe I'll try to sell it, like I'll let it go or something. I don't know, we'll see. But this is my day three. for day 4, I actually have exactly 4 college textbooks that I do not use at all. These are old. These are old classes that I'm not going to take anymore. And this is like a practice general knowledge test when I was trying to get certified. So they've just been sitting in the closet and it serves no purpose. So I'm going to actually not toss it out, but I'm going to donate it to my college library. I don't know if they take textbooks. I'm going to try. If not, there's like a drop books by my house. They kind of like those drop clothes. There's a book donation thing that I can just drop it off. So I'm going to check my college first. If not, then they go there. So this is my 1, 2, 3, and day 4. Okay, so for day 5, I found 5 toys that my daughter no longer uses. She used to be obsessed with these when she was a baby. Now she's a year and a half. So I found this little book, this one as well, 1, 2. This one that used to make noise, 1, 2, 3. This puppy looks kind of sad and old, so I'm gonna toss that out. And then this little sad star that I had no idea where it came from. Actually, yes, this used to be from one of her playpens, and she used to just love to grab the stars and play with it, but she outgrew them. So I don't know, what should I do with these, if I should donate them, if I should throw them away. I don't know about this one, but for the rest of it, this is very new, so I might just give it away. But for now, it's gonna leave my house. I'm filming in my room because this is where I have better lighting at this time of day. So yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and day 5, boom. Day 6 goes back to my daughter. I cleared out not too long ago her dresser with things that no longer fit, but I knew for a fact that I was going to find something because they grow by the day. So yes, I found this onesie that I used to love, but she is very tall and she doesn't fit into that anymore. These 2 pants that just does not fit her. Actually, 3 pants that just does not fit her. And these little shoes. So that's my day 6. Let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Bye. So for day 7, I actually went into this mess of a closet that I made more of a mess now trying to look for something. And I'm pretty sure with the days come, I can find more things here. But I found exactly 7 things that I can definitely get rid of. And it all comes to sheets. This is very old and very lonely. I don't even know where everything is. That's 1. This is also 2. This actually went with this, but it's supposed to be a complete set and it's not there. 2, 3, another pillowcase. Is it a pillow? Yeah, it's a pillowcase. Yeah, it's super sad. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are old, so 4, 5. Again, have no idea where its partners are at, or the partner for these are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And lastly, this is actually very new, but I really do not use the sheets. So this to me, it's 7. And voila. Alright guys, this completes the very first week of the Minimalist Game Challenge. This was kind of easy, but kind of hard at the same time because it's very hard for me to get rid of things. But I went in with the state of mind that each day I am going to get rid of stuff no matter what. So if I haven't used it, or if it's expired, or whatever the case might have been, it was going to be out this door. So yeah, thank you so much for joining us in this journey. And I say us because again, this is a collab with our host Clueless Mama D and a whole bunch of others that I will leave listed down below. Our next set of video actually comes out next Friday. So each Friday of this month, you'll see our set of videos. So hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Bye. I don't know if you saw her, but she was like waving bye. Bye. I gotta get her to bed. Bye guys.